Hi guys, Vaughn here. Today we are going to be talking about a very passionate topic of mine, and that is gold. I want to talk about gold right now because I think it's a very good time to buy and I don't want you to miss it. So today I'm going to be talking about why I think that gold is going to be rising in prices in the next few months. Then we're going to be looking at gold prices and their trends over the last few months and as well as the previous recession in 2008. And finally, I'll tell you how to double your money by buying gold within the next 12 months. Oh, and before I continue, please know that my advices are just advices, okay? When you guys are buying, please buy and invest responsibly. Make sure that you guys are only investing with money that you guys can afford to lose, okay? It is very important. And please don't forget, please hit the like button because that would help me out tremendously. Okay, so number one, okay, why is gold going to be going up within the next few months? Well, let's look at what's going on throughout the world and in the US itself. If you guys didn't know, the US is having a resurgence in the number of coronavirus cases in America. And that is very bad news because we are just very bad at containing it, okay? But we are not the only one, okay? All over the world, they are starting to see resurgence of the coronavirus cases, even places that they thought had already been died out. Now look at this. This is very entertaining, okay? Alright, so as we can see, the number of coronavirus cases are going up and it's actually growing, not just slowing down. And this is the summer months, okay? The fall months are going to be a whole lot worse. And so make sure you guys prepare yourself and be careful. So with new cases spreading around the country and around the world, there's a lot of uncertainty. And when there is uncertainty, okay, gold is gonna go up, okay? And gold is gonna go up when there is uncertainty. And during this time, nothing is more uncertain than when there are more cases around the world. Okay, so that was around the world. Now let's talk about what is happening in America. So currently in America, they are debating about the new Stimulus 4 bill. It is currently called the HEALS Act, which stands for Health, Economic Assistance, Liability Protection, and Schools. Now the reason why the stimulus package is important is because stimulus means that they are pumping out a lot of money into the economy, right? They are pumping out a lot of money. And with the new cases going up, people are probably not going to be working as much, okay? There's a good chance that we will be slowing down in terms of production. And when they are pumping money into the economy with low production, there's a chance that there's an inflation. Now, when that happens, people are going to be buying up gold because gold is gold. Gold is an actual thing. You cannot print gold, okay? Dollar bills, you can do that, okay? All you need to do is press a button and then the numbers in your bank account just goes up. That's all they have to do. They don't even print physical money anymore. They just press a button and the numbers in your bank account goes up. And the other piece of news that I want to bring to your attention is that the US Mint has reduced silver gold coin supply to purchasers. The US Mint has reduced the volume of gold and silver coins it is distributing to authorized purchasers as the coronavirus slows production. Just last week, the Mint urged Americans to spend their pennies, nickels, and dimes and quarters because the pandemic has cut in store sales purchases and slows the pace of coin circulation nationwide. So currently, there is a shortage of coins because people are not buying as much and the coin is not circulating as much. So there is a shortage of coins. So if you guys are going out, make sure you guys spend your coins. Alright, so now let's move on to part 2. And that is gold prices and their trends. Okay, so this chart tracks the prices of gold. Gold currently right now is $1,948 per ounce. Okay, so if we look at here, we can see that after the stock market crash, it went up super fast, okay? Because after the crash, people are saying that, oh boy, okay, things are going crazy. This coronavirus is gonna kill everyone, and then the apocalypse is coming. No, that's not really what happened. But ever since that happened, gold prices surged super, super fast. It went right back within a span of like a week. It just shot right back up, and then it just started climbing. But then it kind of halted because the economy was picking up really, really fast. If we look at the 3-month chart, we can see that it has actually gradually been increasing within the last 2-3 months, okay? Especially since here. It's been picking up speed. It's been going up, up, and up. And just 2 weeks ago, it has skyrocketed to $1,950. Now, let's compare this to 2008. So, as we can see, this is 2008. Gold crashed around here in October 2008, and then it started keep going up, 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 right? And at the time here, when the economy is already starting to go back up, it's starting to go back up even more. It took 2 years, 2.5 to 3 years for the gold market to reach its top. And then it stayed at the top for another year. So that just goes to show you that just because the stock market crashed does not mean that gold has stopped growing. In actuality, gold is probably on its way up right now because we have the coronavirus cases still going. Inflation is probably going to happen because the Fed is just printing out a whole bunch more money. And things are in chaos. Right? Things are in chaos, and that is where the prices of gold thrive. Okay, prices of gold thrive when there is uncertainty. Now let's talk about the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, I think that we can all agree that the coronavirus pandemic is worse than the recession. So if this pandemic is worse than the recession, then that means that gold is probably going to go up longer than the previous recession. But even if it doesn't go up longer than the previous recession, it hasn't even gone anywhere up close to the previous recession, okay? We have only been hit by this pandemic for the last 4 months. So there's a very, very good chance that the prices of gold is going to go up. Hey, with everything that's been going on, there's no reason why the price of gold would not be going up. All right, so now if gold is going up, how do you double your money within the next 12 months? Well, I can tell you one thing, you won't double your money by buying bars of gold because the price of gold won't double in the next year. What you guys should do is buy gold options, okay? Buy gold options for the next year, year and a half, 2 years, okay? Because gold options work very, very differently from gold. And the gold option that I would recommend is GLD, okay? This is the gold shares. It pretty much tracks the price of gold. If you buy options for gold, you can get over 100% return on your money if you buy gold options. And if you guys know that gold is going to go up, then buying options is the best way to do this because options can get you double or triple your money within the next year. Right? If you buy gold options, it can double to triple your money within the next year. How? Well, let me show you. So if you guys want to know how much gold options are worth, you guys can go to Yahoo Finance, click on the word options here, and see how much options are worth. This option ends in July 31st, but for me, I never buy options for 1 or 2 weeks. Like, I always buy options for 2 months to 3 months to a year. And for gold, I'm going to be buying options for a year. So if we look at gold prices for December 2021, we can see that right now it costs around $20 to buy options at $180 strike price. But if you guys go out farther, for $200, it's only $14. For a $200 strike price, it only costs you $14. So realistically, if gold prices hit $200 within the next 3 months, okay, you will double your money because from $180 to $200, that's a gain of $20, and you only spend $14. So within the next 3 months, if it goes up to $200, then you will double your money within 3 months because this is December 2021. That is a year and a half away. And the thing is, you don't have to hold your options for a thing and a half. If you guys make money, sell the options and buy new options. Buy options that go for a lot longer. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Okay? If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I could really use your help. So, until next time, bye.